Alright, y'all wish me luck. So for the template, I trace the outline of a binder, and I practice cutting the lines freehand. Since I don't have a long enough table, whenever I have to do long cuts, I have to do this weird shimming. I want gold coins to make a comeback. How do we make that happen? How do we make gold coins a thing again? I wanted to do quick showcases of some of my previous projects. We have the nudist tray, the green purple howling wolf tray, and what every Pokemon master needs, a Pokeball. Okay. Now I print and cut out the Phoenix design that I'm going to carve into the cover. Before I attach the design, I use water to dampen the leather so when I trace it, the design will appear clearly on the surface. I use painter's tape to hold the design in place. And use packing tape to make the surface smooth so I can trace the design without ripping the paper. So what I'm doing is I'm just tracing the outline of this, the symbol, and what it's doing on the other side is that it's imprinting the design into the leather. There we go. Ooh, that came out pretty nice. Yeah, that came out pretty all right, if I do say so myself. So I'm just doing this to kind of smooth out everything that was pulled up from that tape. So I'm dampening the leather so that way when I start carving, it'll be a little easier to carve, because trying to carve into dry leather is hard. And I'm also using my swivel knife and a new blade I bought from Tandy Leather. I carved the phoenix into the back cover of our binder. Like any good YouTuber, I wanted to ask you boys and bots to like the video and subscribe to my channel. It's not as smooth as
Doing
the other
those
one,
good
but it
things
is
not only
giving
helps
me
the
more
video, but it makes
control.
my day better as well. Something about the psychology of positive reinforcement.
if y'all can see the darker lines, but that top section has been beveled. So this section here, well, just stare at the clock. It makes it go faster. No, it doesn't. It doesn't make it go faster. It makes it go hella slow. Don't stare at the clock. Don't even look at it. Don't even look. Between the beveled lines and just the fresh cut ones.
All of my content comes from my live stream. Join us on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. and Saturdays at 2 p.m. The link to my Twitch channel is in the description below.
So, I think y'all can tell the difference. The Phoenix itself is beveled, but the other edges are not. But that's what we're working on right now. Working with. That looks clean. Yeah, take a look at that. I think it looks pretty close.